Hey friends, today we're going to learn how to draw a super adorable bunny. Grab your pencil and let's begin. We'll begin by drawing the head. Remember to draw lightly so you can erase when you need to. As you're drawing, if you need to make any corrections, just make the change first and then erase the area that you don't need anymore. This is usually a lot easier than erasing everything and starting all over. You'll notice that the head is kind of similar to the shape of a football, and the body is shaped like two parentheses. Now that I have the shapes the way I want them, I can darken my lines so I can see them better. Now I'm going to draw the bunny's short little legs and its tiny feet. Notice that the bunny's head is so big it's about the size of the rest of the body, including the legs and the feet. Having these proportions makes it resemble a baby and makes it look cute and adorable. Here I'm drawing the second ear, but this one I'm going to have flopped over. You could have both ears standing straight up, or you could flop either ear. Here's the bunny's fluffy tail, and here are its arms. Now I'll begin drawing the bunny's face. I like to have a vertical line at the center and a horizontal line at the lower third of the bunny's face. This serves as a guide to place the eyes, the nose, and the mouth. Notice that the eyes are very large compared to the rest of the head. The height of the eye is about a third the height of the entire head. This is another element that makes the bunny look cute and adorable. Here are the eyebrows and some eyelashes. Now I'm going to draw the nose. Notice it's kind of a triangle shape. And then the mouth just below. Couple of wrinkles above the nose, and the patch on its belly. Now I'll finish up details on the ears, and I'll add some detail on the feet as well as the hands. And here I'm going to make the tail look a little more furry. As well as some detail to make the head look furry. These little circles that I'm adding here are the highlights on the bunny's eyes, which make the eyes look kind of shiny, which makes the bunny look more alive and also more adorable. Then you can erase any lines on your bunny that you don't need anymore. Now it's time to add some color and do a bit of outlining. I'm also going to add just a bit of shading. And that is how you make one adorable bunny. Thanks for making a super adorable bunny with me today. Comment below if there are other things that you'd like to learn how to draw, and I'll see what I can do. Click like if you enjoy these videos, and we'll see you here next time to have some more fun making art.